Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's new Wednesday? Turn the page, come see. Gijoe gear, wild schemes on your screen. Action figures, clothes, and GI customs in view. What's new Wednesday? All this new just for you.
Hey guys, GI Customs here again for another What's New Wednesday. Now, I went up a few, maybe a week or two ago. I do have one more design from Mark II Designs. This is the Outpost. So really cool set. I've got it in pieces here because I kind of wanted to go over when you do order one of these, they're going to come disassembled like this, mostly for shipping purposes. So the one thing I am going to do, these verticals do fit in really tight, so I will have those assembled. So that way, if I bust one or break one putting it in, it's not on you. Everything else should come disassembled, so I'll go over it quick here of how to put this thing together. That way, when you order one, you'll already be ahead of the game. So really cool design, like I said. This is only the second time I've put one together. So you've got two different sets of sandbags. The smaller one goes on the right if you're facing this away, as I am towards you. The bigger one goes on that side, and they match up pretty well with these walls. They don't click in or anything like that, but they do sit in there real nice and match that that angle. So then those two go together, and you've got this little piece right here. So this piece actually holds. It's got two slots under here, goes into here. You could even do this first. I guess I didn't, but you definitely could. Come on, work with me. So then you've got that right there. That's your little machine gun nest. So you've got, put all this together. This will be easier when you've got, you're setting this up. I would, if it were me, I'd glue most of this together. Obviously before shipping, can't really do that. So there's that, you got that there. It does come with this extra little gun box here, which is nice, firearms box. You could put most of the Joe or Valiverse guns or anything like that in there and just kind of have this as a diorama piece. So I'll put that off to the side there. So then you've got your roof. So the corner with the slot, that's actually where this guy goes. And you line up all of those. All the posts have little holes, have little brackets for them. And then you just bring that gray, there we go, gray bar out, and you're set up, good to go. You've got the antenna that attaches back here. Again, I'll glue all this in. So there you go, that's built up. You might have to push those back in a little bit, but that's what it is. Now this comes with several different ways to attach a machine gun up front. It does come with an original design, real close to the old school, that'll plug right into this hole up front here. So you got that one. You've got this one, and I don't have one of these unfortunately right now with me. This will fit an M249, I believe. One of the machine guns, I think they come with some of the Valiverse figures. They're really nice guns. Has a little spot for the ammo box on this side. So that'll fit up there in that peg. And then my favorite, the big, I think this is a big 50 cal. Comes with a bunch of different G.I. Joe stuff. That plugs right into this last one. And you can drop that right in there. And now you've got your machine gun nest. Every order does come with all three of these. So you have the option if you don't have one of them or just don't prefer one. You don't have to use that one. You can always use the one that comes with it. This is another one. I think I might offer it as a custom at some point, or even the sandbags in maybe a desert tan or a navy in the future if you want to set it up something other than Joe, which I always personally enjoy. Adding some things that weren't there back in the 80s. So hope you guys like this one. It's a really, really good set. Like I said, it will require some more assembly than some of the other ones, but it's really simple, straightforward, and you can always refer back to this video and kind of go through what it is, or send me a message at any point through the website, and I'll be glad to help you out in any way I can. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Make sure you're paying attention to more of these coming in the future, as well as everything on the site at gicustoms.com. I appreciate you. Have a good week.
Middle of the week, but it feels like play. Flip the shelf, wow, new toys today. What's new Wednesday? Turn the page, come see. Wild schemes on your screen, action figs, closing